Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with the baritone on line 6, double up. So we're going to go through and see what we have, starting with our bass clef. Then we have our time signature in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number is the value of the whole note and whole rest. So each note will get 4 beats, and each rest also gets 4 beats, and they take up the whole measure, hence the whole. Now, we start with our first note on line 4. It is an F, and F is open, so we don't press any of our valves. And while we are holding that note, we look ahead to see what's next, because now we don't have any measures of rest in between. We go straight to the next note. So we are holding our F and looking ahead to see that we change to first valve E flat, which is located on the 3rd space of the staff. So we are doubling up. Then we have a measure of rest, and that gives us plenty of time to look ahead to see what is next. So then we have 3rd line D, 1st and 2nd valve, and while you're holding that, look ahead to the next measure on the next line to see that you change back to the 3rd space E flat, 1st valve. Then you get one more measure of rest. That gives you time to look ahead and see that you go back to the 3rd line D, 1st and 2nd valve, and then you skip up to the 4th line F, which is open. So we're going to play this together, and we're going to start each note with a t sound. If you want, you can listen first and then roll this back so you can play along with me, or you can just try to play along with me the first time. But either way, here we go. My metronome is set to 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready. Look ahead. Last 2 measures. And that is it for line 6, double up. Again, make sure you're starting each note with a t sound so they don't end up being slurred. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.